Hey, the storm update. So we were sitting at the house, got the alerts, the notifications, the tornado warnings, and everything else that were supposed to be coming today. They canceled school for, the local schools. They didn't have any school today in Wayne County, I think. And yeah, I'm out here on the property. I'm just doing an overview of what's fallen and what's left of what I did. I haven't cleaned up yet. But yeah, we've got a tree down. Tree down. Oh, there it is. Tree down. Well, almost down. I'm gonna have to take it down. That thing's leaning way too much. The ones that I was really hesitant about were these two back here. They're leaning really good, but I think they're like that before. I'm gonna have to check some footage that I did have or do have just to see. And the other big thing that happened was one of my windows over there got broken. Bummer. One pane though, so that's good. But it's expensive to fix those. But I got these two bad boys. They're still there, so that's good. The fifth wheel did not take any damage. The winds were really strong. I've got trees that are leaning across the road. My drives are good. The one behind us is good. It's clear. But the main road in, man, some of the locals that live down the road, I only got about one down my road and maybe 3 or 4 that actually live down the way a little bit further. And yeah, they were more than likely out there with some chainsaws. Oh wow, I'm looking out into the distance right now and there is some tree down. There's a big one, a couple big ones. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down and see. And I mean, some of these trees right here, they were sitting straight earlier. They took a beating. We're talking 50, 60 mile an hour winds. There's another one down right there. A lot of tree debris down, so we lost a few more there. There's my debris I haven't cleaned. But yeah, you can still hear the wind. It may or may not be affecting my video, but wow. Not a lot of rain in this storm, which is a good thing. Is that a tree that I took down? Oh, a tree I took down. Let's go walk down my road and see. I think I see another tree down. That one was supposed to fall down. It didn't. But yeah, I've got trees down. Actually, yeah, I lost another one right there. Maybe 2, 3. Another one. Oh, the trees have eyes. Crazy. Another tree back there that's down. Oh, another one broke off right there. Yeah, we've got, oh, another one right here. It came whipping through. It flat out pulled that one right out of the roots and drug it through it. It's still whipping through here. Probably not the safest thing to be walking around, but it is what it is. Oh, there's a big one that fell down, broke off. That got thrown pretty far. That came from that direction, maybe. One of these trees. Oh wow. Didn't help that I opened up some area, but maybe some of the trees that I needed to come down over here on the home site, maybe they're down. Maybe we'll get lucky with some good old Mother Nature's assistance. Wow. It's still blowing hard. Here's all the ones I took down. That one fell down. That one fell down. That one's about ready to. Yeah, nothing up there. Maybe 1, 2. Well, we're good at the home site. Yeah, this is pretty crazy, this wind. We were sitting at the house and it was just this gusts and gusts, and it started blowing everything. Got a text from our message from our neighbor. She's like, batten down the hatches, batten down the hatches. Get out there and get your stuff battened down. Yeah, I didn't expect this much force in the just the winds. We didn't see any tornadoes that I'm aware of. There's a couple trees in town that they took a couple big ones down actually, but I don't see too much out here. But it's quite a bit, especially when you already have so many trees down. And I'm not even gonna walk down my other path right over here. Usually it's pretty muddy there until I get the drainage fixed. But yeah, I hope everybody's safe out there. And I hope you're getting through it. And especially all those folks with the frozen snow that decided to dump, and people that are going to be getting more snow. Mother Nature, she's turning a cheek on us or something. I don't know what's going on. It's crazy. There's a few more trees back in the woods. I'm gonna have fun this summer or winter cleaning more trees. That's just crazy. I ripped that out and threw it over there. Oh, well, there's another one right there. That one's over almost. It's just hung up. Another one I'm gonna have to cut down. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna be busy with trees. Own a forest, they said. Get your very own forest, your raw land. It'll be spectacular fun. This is fun, I have to admit. But looking at honey, notice that one. That one's, I need to come down too. My cabin site's back that way. I don't know if it's clear. I'm not gonna walk. See some trees down back in there. Yeah, well, I guess I'm gonna leave it at that. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe out there. If you got storms coming through, check in on your friends, make sure they're doing good, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Be sure and watch this one over there.